Bino Katikkiro abyogedde mu nnyonyi okumalira basirika ku mukolo gwa Charles Peter Katongole mutabani wa Emmanuel Katongole owa Quality Chemicals kwakubidde ebirayiro ne mwana munne Essanyu Gloria Kimba Kisaka.
You have the reading about the woman, the kind of woman that brings joy to a man. That's a special category of shareholding you must hold in your company. You must turn your house into a home, no matter the size of the building. Categories of shareholding. Responsibility. Bring warmth into the house, son.
Katikkiro agamba nti obufumbo bulinga bizinensi etandikibwa omuntu asuubira amagoba. Kale bano okufuna kye baluubirira balina okusoosowaza buli omu essanyu lya munne okufuna kye beetaaga.
We always tell you to work hard. We always tell young people to work hard. But I'm not so sure that wealth makes marriage. If that were the case, then Melinda Gates has to explain to us why she's separating from Bill Gates. But if you've got respect for one another, you'll have to give up certain things because of the respect. And this, when you give up certain things for the other because you respect them, makes your union tolerable. And that's important for the success of marriage, for you to realize the profits. If you do that and more, you're going to be happy.
Omusumba w'e Lugazi, Right Reverend Christopher Kakoza, obwesigwa yentana gy'awadde abafumbo baagasse.
A young man leaves his parents to be joined to a young lady. Likewise, this young lady leaves her parents to be joined to this young man. And no one may separate what God has joined together.
Ssabalabizi w'ekkanisa ya Uganda, Dr. Stephen Kazimba Mugalu, abafumbo bano bakuutidde okutwala ebyokulabirako ebirungi eby'abafumbo bye balaba kibawa obuvumu obweyagalira mu kyamagero ky'amaka.
This is the first day of this kind ever since the world was created. It has never been here before, and once it goes, it will never come back. So it's your day, and we are here to celebrate with you and to assure you of our prayers in your new journey.
Emmisa etabiddwako n'akomesazeku erya Kampala era omusumba w'e Kasana Luweero, Bishop Pose Mwogerere nga baagala n'abaana bakubiriza okutambuliza obufumbo bwabwe mu nnono y'obwakatonda.